y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy summertime treats for a minute. These easy lemon blueberry bars can be eaten slowly when they're warm from the oven while enjoying a lazy summer day. But they can also be made in advance and eaten on the go while enjoying all the activities summer can bring. Start by combining butter, cake mix, eggs, blueberries, white chocolate chips, and pecans in a bowl. Butter a pan and spread the cake mixture evenly into it. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. While the cake cools, melt more white chocolate chips, then drizzle on the bars. The tarty goodness is enhanced by the sweet chocolate chips for a must-try. Now that's what I call a savvy, tasty summertime treat. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.